everybody. So you guys are in my kitchen right now. I'm cooking chicken and Brussels sprouts for lunch. So we went to a grocery outlet. I picked up, you know, a bunch of keto food because I'm restarting keto. I want to start changing the way I eat, and obviously that's going to make a difference because I've been eating hot Cheetos for the past like month. Like, even though I've been, you know, working out, I've still been eating like crap. So, and it's making me like break out. You can't tell because I have makeup on, but I have like a huge zit here and a huge zit here, and that also might be because I haven't had like a acne regimen going. But if you check out my last video, you can see what I'm starting to eat. Squealing hot. They're new from Slim Jim, which they make a lot of beef jerky. So I'm going to see if these will buy my hot Cheeto craving. And honestly, by the looks of it, I think they will. If I put lime on these, like, hell yeah. Okay, you guys, so I just added some lime to the chicharrones. Here I go.
Very good. They're very, very good.
Mm-hmm.
Can I try one?
They're spicy.
Spicy.
You still want to try it? Probably not the same as hot Cheetos, but definitely good. Definitely could be my replacement. So, yum. I got those at grocery outlet for $1.99. I'm about to go pick up some more bags later because that's delicious. Guys, so today we are on our way to do my fingerprints for my new job that I start next week. I have till 12 to do it and it's 10:46 right now, but first I have to stop by my job to get more information, I guess, for it. I started keto. Today I did my 30-minute cardio workout, and then I had like a little keto-friendly dark chocolate protein piece of chocolate. No, you need protein after you work out, and the reason why I want to do keto again is because I want to see results. Like, I work out a lot. Well, I work out like 5 times a week for like 30 minutes, so, you know, make it worth it by eating healthy, and maybe that will help my moods as well. Elijah and I went to go look at his new daycare yesterday, and he really likes it. Right, baby? It's similar to this other daycare that he went to, except it's a different person, which is exactly what I wanted. Like, I liked the setup and everything, the daycare itself. So hopefully she's good and nice, and the kids are nice as well. Yeah, I'm almost to my new job. The thing that sucks about this new job is it starts at 8 o'clock and I get off at 5, so I'm definitely going to be in traffic both ways. This is like an industrial center / office. Interesting. See the Chipotle burrito? It says notice, drivers do not carry burritos. Like, ew.
Why is there 2 Safeway truck here?
I don't know. I think this is a place where they park the trailer. But I'm pretty sure I worked down here. Yeah.
But why?
So we just left my job and now we're on our way to the police department to do the fingerprints. I'm not sure why I have to do like a background check. I understand the whole background check thing and like the drug test, but fingerprints, like,
tell them there's
seems
tons of food trucks.
And yeah, there's tons of like food trucks here. But yeah, we're just doing that, and then afterwards we're gonna go home, make eggs and bacon. Sorry guys, I would be showing Elijah, but he's on the other side of the car and my camera holder doesn't move. So I'm thinking oh, I guess, aw, they can show both of us now. That's cute. I really wish we could go bowling again, but it's like $45 just for like 4 games. 4 games was like an hour and a half, so that was good. We can go in a couple weeks.
How about we go do that a lot of times when it's sunny?
When it's sunny?
Yeah.
Well, it's good for like rainy days because it's inside of a building. But I mean, you can bowl at any time, but it's good for when you want something to do when it's raining outside. Because when it's sunny,
I like when it's raining because we can go in a building.
When it's sunny though, we can like do more outside activities, like go to the park or play in the tennis court.
Or we can go to Metzger.
Or Metzger. I'm hitting every yellow light, you guys.
Really? That's bad.
Well, at least it's only 11:10. I don't remember if I went to my interview with longer hair. I'm pretty sure I did. But I don't know if it was like all brown like this. I don't remember. But when I get my taxes, I am definitely gonna dye my hair different. It's gonna be like more blonde right here. I might keep it this brown color though and then just go like more blonde. But I just saw a guy standing up on a boat. I think I don't know what the boat is called when you're standing up, but
wait.
I think it's maybe a kayak, but he was like paddling like this, like,
with his hands?
No, with the paddle.
Wait.
Which is like a stick. No, with like a stick. It's like that's what a paddle is. It's like a stick and you paddle through the water. But one,
wait.
It's freezing. 2, it's the Tualatin River.
Wait.
What?
Are you talking about his legs are on the boat and his arms was down the water and he was sailing?
He was standing on a boat, like a canoe type boat.
Oh, are you talking? Oh, I see.
Yeah.
You're talking about? Are you like green water? Like gross water?
Yeah, that water is nasty. It's like pure mud, like pure brown. And if he fell in there, he would definitely get sick. Because he was like, you have to have good balance. What if you accidentally fall in? I don't know. It looked like he was wearing a wetsuit. Either way, I was shook. I've never seen anything like that.
What color was his jumpsuit?
I think it was black. But I've never seen anybody kayaking in the middle of the Tualatin River. Like, interesting. Just thought I'd tell you guys that. So, now we're on our way to drop off my fingerprints. The guy said not to fold them. All I have is one copy and the receipt. The other copy was going to be for me, but I said, like, I don't need them. And he's like, well, if you need to do other fingerprints for another job, they're just going to have you come back anyways and do a new pair of fingerprints.